So today again I am repeating. Maybe I have taken this class also, but I don't remember exactly, that is why. Today we will discuss about the system and security. Okay, about hardware and sound we were discussing. System and security, when we enter into the control panel, right? When we enter into the control panel, there we will see Action Center, Windows Firewall, Systems, Windows Update, Power Options, Backup and Restores, okay, Windows Anytime Upgrade, and administrative tools like this. So, if we will talk, then Action Center. What does Action Center helps you to do? This is actually, it helps you to review your computer status. It helps you to resolve any kind of issues present in your system, and you can change, any change can be done. Suppose username or any user account, suppose you want to change anything, so that all can be done through the Action Center. Problem resolutions, okay, troubleshoot problems or troubleshooting the problems and restoring computers to an earlier time also. These all things can be done through the Action Center. Next we will come to Windows Firewall. Windows Firewall, it allows you to check firewall status. Okay, firewall status or any processing a program or processing a program through the firewall. Okay, this is all can be done through the Windows Firewall. Then come to next center, that is system. Suppose you want to view your RAM status, processor speeds, okay, or hard drive status, everything you can view through this system update. Okay, or suppose also you want to setting the computers or network setting, okay, then checking the windows also, setting the name of computers, allowing remote access. Remote access means suppose like we are doing in camera, okay, at one point camera is fixed and another point we are monitoring that, so all can be done through the systems or any devices manager also. Now come to Windows Update. Like students, in phone also, Windows means what? It is the operating system. Okay. So like you are using nowadays smartphones, there also when any update or is available to your system, that time you are getting a message or notification, whatever, saying click on this to upgrade your mobile or Android system. Similarly here also, if any update will be available or it allows you or it enables the computer turn on or off automatically and checking the updates and view what are the application program you have installed into your system or the computer, whether they are in update or out of update. Okay, these all can be checked or can be seen through the Windows Update. Next one is power option, right? Power option is very important. Why important? Because without power we cannot start the system. Simple thing. So it helps in the change in power buttons, making the changes when the computer sleeps. There are two types of it. One, whether computer you will allow it to hibernate or to sleep mode or to shut down. Three buttons will be there, but nowadays, however, I can see only two buttons are coming now, it is in the operating systems. Next one is backup and restore. Backup and restore helps you to back off your data, okay, or information, whatever they are stored or formatting the hard disk, hard drive. And this only, backup and restore. Suppose hard drive, right? In the computer, a hard drive is coming. That is in the motherboard, okay. So we are using no C drive, D drive, E drive. These are all formatting the hard disk or any changes in hard drives. So these are all can be done through the backup and the restore. Okay, restore the files from the backup. Next one is Windows Anytime Upgrade. Like I told you, Windows Anytime Upgrade provides you the updates anytime. Okay, if you are working through the online, then if computer is on connected to the network, okay, or internet system, whatever, then however the changes or any upgrade or any update software will be available for your system, then it will take itself and update the system. Okay. And next one is called admin tools. Admin tools is also very important, right? This is also used in the defragging the hard drives. Defragging hard drives, creation, formatting, disk partition, right? Like C drive, E drive, okay, and then viewing the event logo, operating task schedule also, etc., etc. So these are all about the system and security. When we enter into the control panel, students, like this, you will find on your Windows like this, okay, control panel, then action center, Windows firewall, systems, Windows update, etc., etc. So we will discuss one by one. This was all about the security, system and security. Then we will move to the network and internet. Okay, network and internet. Now we will discuss about the network and internet. Okay. Network and internet, the basic parts of network is, first one is network and sharing center. Network and sharing center. What is network and sharing center? This helps in viewing the network status, task connected to the network with various computers along with the wireless connections and other to the remote system also, okay, including the wireless system or any other devices. Next one is coming, that is home group. Home group is what? Home group provides you the sharing and the home group options. Okay, sharing and home group option. What you want to share, to whom you want to share, how many persons are there in a network system, etc. Next one is internet option. Internet option, right? Internet option. Internet option allows you to connect the internet to the allows you to connect the internet. You can change the home page, internet home page, or you can manage the browsers, add once or delete that browsing histories or cookies, etc., etc. That you don't want, you may delete it. Okay. Next one is another add-on. Add-on QCS CS3. Adobe View CS3 enables versioning and access the management in the version queue enabled creative in the version queue enabled creative suites components including the Adobe Acrobat, Adobe Reader, Adobe Flash Photoshop, okay, etc. etc. So these are also important. Okay. Without this also we cannot use the networking system. Okay. This is all about today's, and next I will discuss. We will go to the user account and family safety, then clock, language and region. Okay, ease of access, programs, and how to manage or viewing the style of file or folder. Okay, students. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless you all.